And there is Cimabue, restored masterpiece of the late 13th century. What an event. In mid-February of this year, a wondrous event took place in the 13th century Basilica of San Francesco, burial place of the patron saint of Italy, San Francesco, spreading out on the hill of Assisi. We have just witnessed the restoration of the magnificent fresco of Cimabue, late 13th century, after 2 years of tedious, precise work by young fresco restorers. The entire project financed by Ferrari, a €300,000 project. 2 years of passionate work, concluded with a conference near the Basilica, and then the viewing of the restored fresco. Present at the viewing of the restored fresco, among other people, in the right transept of the lower church, at the end of the nave, were Padre Marco Moroni, Padre Custode, that is the head, Father General of the Franciscans, Sergio Fusetti, main restorer of the Basilica, Professor Elvio Lunghi, an expert on Assisi and its art history, the mayor of Assisi, the restorers who worked on the fresco, and many of the public. An extraordinary event, preceded by an extraordinary conference of over 2 hours with presentation of a video explaining the restoration project. And before viewing the fresco, we had attended an extraordinary conference of about 2 hours in an area right below the Piazza Inferiore, that is the piazza in front of the Basilica. And when I went down 3 elevators and came out, I saw the majestic Sacro Convento, that is the Franciscan monastery with the beautiful arched windows. I could see the bell tower of the Basilica, and I was below the Basilica and entering with other people into the conference room called, ironically, Sala Cimabue. This auditorium was named after Cimabue, the great fresco artist. And gradually the conference room filled up. Art historians were there, civic authorities, television reporters, a fascinating conference. And people listened with great fascination to Elvio Lunghi, art historians, analysis of the fresco. We saw video presented to us by Sergio Fusetti, main restorer of the Basilica, on the restoration project. That is now available to see on YouTube. I strongly recommend seeing it. It is in Italian, perhaps you can find a translation, but fascinating anyway are the images. And I'm going to be showing some of them right now. These are all photographs that I took during the video. So those are a few clips of photos that I took during the video, and I want to play for you a section of the video. It is in Italian, but do view the wonderful images and I hope it will inspire you to see the full video on YouTube, possibly with a translation.
Una volta rimosse le sostanze estranee alla materia pittorica originaria, la restituzione critica del testo pittorico si è orientata nel rispetto dei diversi livelli di finitura per non occultare il passaggio del tempo su un'opera di capitale importanza per la storia religiosa e artistica, seppure irrimediabilmente compromessa da tormentate vicende conservative. Si è scelto altresì di mantenere una continuità metodologica con l'intervento attuato dall'Istituto Centrale del Restauro nel 1973, come ad esempio la scelta di risarcire con la tecnica del tratteggio verticale le grandi lacune sia in corrispondenza dei punti di ancoraggio del vecchio altare, sia quelle che interessavano il braccio sinistro di San Francesco. Si è provveduto alla riadesione e al fissaggio della pellicola pittorica, dei residui delle durature nonché dello strato di intonaco. La stuccatura di lacune crepe è stata eseguita con malte appositamente formulate, compatibili con i materiali originali. Infine, la reintegrazione pittorica, volta ad equilibrare scompensi cromatici, abrasioni e lacune, è stata eseguita come di prassi con velature ad acquarello.
So come soon to Assisi. Don't miss, in the lower basilica, right transept at the end of the nave, viewing the splendid Maestà di Cimabue, the Madonna in Majesty, right near the frescoes of the student of Cimabue, Giotto. And mille grazie to everyone who participated in that extraordinary presentation on the fresco restoration. And special thanks to Sergio Fusetti and his restoration crew, and to Elvio Lunghi for the knowledge he shared about the Basilica of San Francesco and Maestà of Cimabue.